Yeah. So yeah. And then now with the 65, 65 is just this is just 5 times 13. And of course, 5 is prime, 13 is prime, so we don't need to go any further than that. Right? So if we get good at finding prime factors for every number that we see, wait, what's that again? Oh, okay. No, well, it's fine. It's fine. Nothing wrong with that. That's fine. So yeah, so when you ask me where these numbers come from, like why I was able to write the 3 for 3 and the 2 by 2 for the 4, that's because my brain just remember the prime numbers. Yeah, my brain just remember them. Right? I just remember. I just remember the prime numbers just like that. Right? Probably will take a picture of this just so that, why not? Why not? Why not do that for safekeeping? Let's see. Tablet, fail me not, tablet, fail me not. You're a little bit blurry, guy. You're a little bit blurry. See now, may I try to do this thing on it and now you want to slow up. Come on, man. Alright. Whatever. Yeah, I wanted it to look better, but beggars can't be choosers. Maybe. Oh, well, okay. So, here's the thing. I didn't, alright, so for these, all I was doing is finding the prime factors of them. So there wasn't really an answer other than just to break it down to the product of the factors. Yeah. So once you leave it like that, no, you only need an answer if you're looking for LCM, right? So for example, the LCM of 12 and 144. Let me get alright, let me get rid of this. Get rid of this. And okay, let me put it up here so it makes sense. So let's say we had and we were looking for, let's say, the LCM of this. Right? So we're doing that. Okay, so what would happen there is that I like to call this the house and the room and the mansion, right? So here is a room and here is a house. Now this room is already in this house. So if you had a choice between having a room and having a house, you probably go buy the house. So with that in mind, since this is already in here, I don't need this. Right? So just like that, we have our 4 twos. So now let's go again. Let's circle that and circle this. Well, we have a house here and a room right here. This room is already in the house. So we don't really need this. So just like that, everything that we have circled now is our LCM. And since all of this is the same as 144, your LCM is in fact 144. Yeah? So your LCM of 12 and 144 is 144. But that's because this entire thing is divisible by 12 exactly. Yeah? Perfectly divisible by that. Yeah. Now this doesn't always happen. Yes, to be fair, I actually do. Um, yeah, so the idea was I teach Pepper and CSEC math. So the answer to that question is yes. It's a definitive yes. Yeah. Um, yeah, so this is an example of when the numbers are pretty much related in that there are multiples of each other, but also one of them is divisible by the other. But sometimes it's not that. Sometimes it's not that simple, right? So sometimes, let's say you get one where I don't want to make it too easy, but fine, let's do this. So let's try 24, 30, 72, right?